Okay, so when I was a kid, I always scrounged for money. I would look like in underneath the couches, I would look under the tables, I would look everywhere. And one of the spots I always found money in, and let me know, I think you guys probably can relate with this, was under the couch cushions. So I want you to put your little money piggy bank on the table right there and look under the couch cushions. Well, that's under the entire couch. Do you know what a couch cushion is? Yes, so move all the pillows. Okay, put them on the floor and open it up and see. Oh, that's pretty clean. Nothing under that one.
Maybe the other side.
Show me the money.
Oh my goodness, we're all right.
Show me the money. I told you, Pay.
Wait, where's more?
Well, you gotta keep looking for more. And raising money, you can maybe do chores and maybe we'll give you money for like an allowance or something, okay?
Okay, I'll do toys.
Okay, I like that idea.
And happy Valentine's Day to my Valentine. I'm excited to hang out with you guys today. The girls have no clue. I had to spill the beans to Natalia because we kind of do this thing called co-parenting.